Enriching yourself, even with a modest salary, is perfectly possible, despite the widespread belief that only those who earn large amounts of money can accumulate significant wealth. Although a higher income certainly makes the process easier, the real secret lies in how you manage the money you earn, regardless of the amount. Many high-income individuals face serious financial problems, even going bankrupt, because they do not know how to control their spending effectively. This highlights the importance of careful and strategic financial management. The true secret to building lasting wealth is the ability to save regularly and invest wisely. At its core, wealth accumulation involves spending less than you earn and setting aside a significant portion of what's left for savings or investments. While living on a limited income presents some challenges, achieving wealth is entirely feasible with strategic adjustments, discipline, and a long-term mindset. In today's video, we will explore several proven strategies to help you build wealth, even if you earn minimum wage or have a limited income. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing to our channel so you won't miss valuable content on financial education, personal finance, and professional growth. Now, without further ado, let's dive into some practical and valuable tips. First tip, invest no matter how small the amount. Before you start thinking about investing, it's absolutely essential to ensure that your basic and essential expenses are fully covered. This includes housing, food, transportation, health, and other everyday needs. These expenses typically consume a significant portion of anyone's monthly budget, leaving little room for investments. However, even if the amount available to invest is small, don't underestimate the power of small, consistent contributions. Over time, these modest contributions can grow substantially, especially thanks to the power of compound interest, where returns generate new returns and your balance progressively increases. The key is to start as soon as possible, and no matter how small the amount, the important thing is to take the first step. Set a percentage of your income to be regularly invested. It may seem small at first, but over time, you will see how this habit can make a huge difference. The idea that you need to earn a lot of money to invest is a myth. What matters is being disciplined and consistent. Second tip, start investing as early as possible. Now that we understand the vital importance of investing, it's essential to comprehend why starting as early as possible can be so beneficial to your financial future. When you start investing early, you have time on your side, meaning you won't need to save as much each month to reach your long-term financial goals. Many people delay important decisions such as investing for retirement, starting a savings account, or even pursuing their dream job because they believe they have all the time in the world. However, this mindset can be detrimental. When you have a limited income, time becomes one of your greatest allies in building wealth, as it allows investments to grow and multiply over the years. The sooner you start saving and investing, the greater the benefits over time. Resist the temptation to postpone important financial decisions or spend impulsively, thinking there's plenty of time to correct the course later. It's crucial to abandon the idea that your income is too small to allow substantial savings. Even minimal savings, when done consistently, can accumulate and grow significantly over time, especially when it comes to retirement savings. No matter if you're just starting your career or feel like you don't earn enough, the right time to start saving is now. Third tip, adopt a frugal and mindful lifestyle. Being frugal doesn't mean depriving yourself of everything or living a life of constant sacrifices, but rather making conscious financial choices and spending your money with purpose and intention. One of the biggest obstacles preventing people from accumulating wealth is not necessarily having a low income, but rather the lack of ability to manage what they earn properly. Frugality allows you to make a clear distinction between what is truly necessary and what is simply a fleeting desire, helping to avoid unnecessary spending. Moreover, opting for a frugal and economical lifestyle is one of the fastest and most effective ways to achieve financial freedom and even early retirement. When your income is limited, it's even more important to ensure that every expense is well thought out and that money is used efficiently. And living frugally doesn't have to be boring or dull. Unfortunately, many people associate frugality with a joyless life, But in reality, it's possible to have a full and satisfying life while saving. With a little creativity, you can find ways to have fun and enjoy life without compromising your finances. If you're enjoying this content so far, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. I'm preparing a series of videos that will transform your financial life, and you don't want to miss it. Fourth tip, reduce your expenses strategically. Cutting expenses might seem like a simple task, but in practice, it can be more challenging, especially since it involves changing ingrained habits and behaviors. Sometimes it's hard to pinpoint exactly where we're overspending. However, there are effective ways to reduce spending, often in areas that go unnoticed. By better controlling your spending, you can allocate more money toward your financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, investing, or increasing your savings. Expense reduction doesn't have to be drastic to be effective. Small cuts in items like dining out, entertainment, and subscriptions you rarely use can make a significant difference. Additionally, reviewing monthly bills like phone, internet, and cable services may reveal opportunities for savings. Instead of paying for things that don't bring real value to your life, channel those resources into areas that truly matter and help grow your wealth. Fifth tip, set clear and smart financial goals. Setting financial goals is an essential practice for anyone looking to achieve financial independence. Goals provide a clear and structured path, helping you avoid distractions that could delay your progress. To increase your chances of success, use the SMART methodology, ensuring your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. By following this structure, your financial goals become more tangible and attainable. Setting short and long-term financial goals is essential to staying focused and ensuring that your daily decisions align with your larger objectives. It's also important to remember that circumstances can change, and your goals may need to be adjusted as new challenges or opportunities arise. Periodically reviewing your financial plan ensures that you stay on the right track. Sixth tip, create and strictly follow a personal budget. Regardless of how much you earn monthly, creating a budget is a powerful tool for managing your finances. For those earning a minimum wage, the need for a detailed budget is even more critical, as there's less room for financial mistakes. A budget helps you clearly track your income and expenses, allowing you to make more informed decisions about how to spend your money. It also serves as a compass, guiding your finances toward your established goals. Besides bringing financial control, following a strict budget helps reduce money-related stress and provides a sense of security. While the process of creating a budget might seem tedious at first, the long-term benefits are immense, both in terms of savings and peace of mind. Seventh tip, eliminate high-interest debt as quickly as possible. High-interest debts, such as credit card debt, can be a real hindrance for anyone looking to accumulate wealth. The longer you take to pay them off, the more they consume your resources, making financial progress difficult. While some debts, like mortgage loans or student loans, may be necessary, it's important to avoid those with exorbitant interest rates. Eliminating these debts not only reduces financial stress, but also frees up money that can be invested or saved, accelerating the growth of your wealth. To get rid of debt, it's essential to understand its causes and take steps to avoid it in the future. As you pay off your debts, you'll notice the positive impact this has on your finances and quality of life, paving the way for new investment opportunities and financial security. Eighth tip, increase your income creatively. Earning extra income can be an excellent way to accelerate your wealth-building process. In addition to your regular job, consider opportunities for supplementary income, such as freelance work, overtime, commissions, or even small businesses. Extra income not only helps you pay off debt faster, but also allows you to save more and invest on a larger scale. If you want to achieve your financial goals faster, having more than one source of income may be the ideal solution. Diversifying income sources increases your financial security and accelerates wealth accumulation, enabling you to build a more prosperous and stable future. With these strategies in mind, you can turn your salary, no matter how small, into a consistent path toward financial independence and wealth creation over time. And if you made it this far in the video, comment, "I stayed until the end." When I see this comment, I'll be happy to reply, as I'll know you're on the right path to becoming a millionaire soon and stuck with me until the end. And now, on your screen, An incredible video I prepared especially for you is appearing. I'm sure it will add great value to you. So click on it and watch it right now. Do it for yourself and your future. See you soon.